Hello everyone, this video is regarding fixing error message in Abaqus which says save underscore abaqus 1.rec.keep is not a valid recovery file. Now this error usually occurs when Abaqus is trying to recover from corrupted recovery file. This error usually looks like this. Okay, this is how error looks like. You can dismiss this and do your work, but to get rid of this we have to first of all close Abaqus properly, and the reason behind that error was is due to Abaqus was not shut down properly in any of the previous session. To fix this error we have to go to C drive slash them, that is the main location of files of Abaqus. Okay, this is the location which I'm talking about. Now you have to delete the files having extension .keep and .rec. So I'm going to delete this .keep file and this .rec file. Okay, now there is no other .rec or any .keep file present here. So now error must have been resolved. Now let's open the Abaqus once again. See, now error is getting fixed. There is no more pop-up message showing Abaqus 1.rec.keep is not a valid recovery file. Thank you for watching.